most of the market is looking for the next trend, but you see, Maple Finance is busy building the next financial system. Now, the Q1 2026 token holder update is officially out, and the numbers are staggering. I mean, we aren't just talking about growth, we're talking about a protocol that is effectively outperforming the entire DeFi sector during high volatility. So yeah, if you want to see a $100 million revenue path, what a $100 million revenue path looks like, here is the breakdown. Hello guys, and welcome to Ecosystem Update with Caston. Now, January 2026 was a historic month, and Maple smashed its all-time high with $2.57 million in monthly revenue. This puts the protocol on a $31 million annual rate, with a clear target of hitting $100 million by the end of the year. I mean, despite the broader market declines, Maple actually saw $292 million in new deposits inflow this quarter, I mean Q1. Even more impressive, they are maintaining a 120 basis point yield outperformance over their DeFi peers. I mean, driven by high quality, fixed rate, institutional loans. That is massive. Now, the real story of Q1 is how Maple actually handled the February volatility. I mean, while other protocols were facing liquidations, Maple had zero defaults, and the entire loan book is sitting at a massive 160% plus collateral ratio. Now, in the first week of February alone, about 74 margin calls were executed, and every single one was met within 3 hours. This performance acted as a magnet for capital, leading to $150 million in net inflows immediately following the volatility. But yeah, when the market gets shaky, the smart money moves to Maple. So you actually need to get that. But yeah, here are the 3 pillars of capital for 2026. Maple is attacking 3 massive verticals, and the first is DeFi remains the bedrock. The Aave integration is expanding cross-chain, and the relationship with Sky and Spark has already reached $850 million in deposits. But yeah, the second is CeFi is already gaining traction. Now, the first exchange earn program is about to launch, and wallet integrations are underway. And finally, the fintech is the high potential frontier. Maple is currently in active conversations with neobank and even banking as a service providers to plug institutional yield directly into everyday applications. I think one of them we can actually see is GetPria. Now, the roadmap for the rest of the year is packed, and Maple trading is coming, which will enable automated liquidation and stablecoin arbitrage strategies. They are also building the first on-chain securitization vehicle, a scalable new vertical designed specifically to attract traditional finance allocators. But yeah, most importantly for holders, all value flows through the Maple DAO Foundation. Now, with a structured buyback framework planned for the second half of the year to maximize the token holder alignment. But yeah, here is my closing remark. With $5 billion in total arbitrage volume and the balance sheet holding over 100 million syrup, Maple is no longer just a protocol. It's an institutional powerhouse, and they are proving that transparency and over-collateralization are the only way to scale credit on-chain. You can view the full Q1 deck and the core recording at app.maple.finance, and I'll be back with more updates as we head towards the $100 million revenue target. See you some other time, and bye.